Guys, it's gonna be a quick um trade breakdown for the week. Let's see what's going on for the week. Okay, number one, let's state our rules. Our rules: trade profitability. Number one, trust my intuition slash judgment at all times. 9 out of 10 times I'm right, and be okay when I'm not right about it. 9 out of 10 times trades I'm indecisive about our losers, so just don't take. I have noticed that, and that is actual based on my journal. That you know, 9 out of 10 times my judgment is right, and you know to be okay when I'm not right about it. So let's look at the trades that we're looking at for this week. So your NZD didn't play out as I wanted. I wanted a break underneath here and drop down, but look at all this momentum to the upside. If you see, look at my breakdown, I did say that I could see price continuing down or also seeing an engulfing. So either or was something that I was looking for, but this did not come down, giving a retest, so I was not interested. Bitcoin, Bitcoin, skimming these weekly rejections. It's the highest it's ever been. Can price continue up? I believe that price could continue up. It did do exactly what I said. It expanded to the direction I wanted to expand to, not what I wanted to, what I predicted it would expand to. Um, the direction I predicted to expand to, it expanded upwards. You know what I'm saying? Um, so the question is, do I see price continuing to close above there? Possibly. Daily retest, 4 hour. Daily rejection. Ooh. So being realistic here, right? Price and broke structure down here. If I were to enter, would have to be underneath here. Stop loss would be below here. But then guess what? TPA don't make no sense. Right? Does not make any sense. So I would not enter a trade even if based on that. So okay, weekly. Then I was right. The thing about it is that do I see price engulfing this? This could happen. There's a possibility of happen. I could see price engulfing this. It could continue. It could go down like this too. I don't like the bearish move. It's like more. It's more possible of happening. Um, the daily is showing bullish vibes. You guys see that happening? Yeah, that does look like something that could happen. The only thing is that daily is not. What? What? So I'm straight. ChatGPT. Let's retest the area that we said it was going to. Price is bullish now. Maybe interested in this, maybe. Um, we'll see. Okay. So question is, what do I see happening? I see price could extend downwards like this. It looks like something that could happen. But then price is above this level, so can engulfing happen too? I can see that happening. I can see that happening. Um, and now Daly's retesting this area, this huge rejection. Think about it is that do I see price continuing up after this rejection to the upside? No. Kind of feels like I see price coming down a little bit. And if it decides to go up, then after it fills it up a little bit, this candle up a little bit, you know, on fill this candle up a little bit. And it's not going up, but I need at least like 70% of this candle filled. So at least about above here, before I could think about buys. That's just me. That's just me just looking at the charts and just saying that, okay, I would not, even if it were to give me what I need right here, I would not want to buy it from there. I would want price to fill this candle up a bit before I buy it. Well, like, bullish, but I don't know. No, it's just. I'm sorry. Then I'll be interested in like buying this up, right? Then I'll be interested in like buying it up to this, like this, you know, daily level from like a lower standpoint. But if you go based on the weekly, yes, price we would kind of need here. But yet again, this is still a strong level here. This is still a weekly level, right? That's still a weekly level. So it should be a good daily. And wow, price do need to give me some type of like base here. So I'd be interested in like buying up. Push on the shove. I'll do this here. Everything else not interested in. Gold, weekly, daily. Literally what I said. Literally what I predicted happened. I just predicted this move. I just didn't like it because it's at its highest point. And I have a rule that when price is at its highest point, I do not trade it. Hey, see, look at that. I just predicted the exact move. Come on, bro. SPX 500. I just don't like how these joints look. These Johns, Nas. I just don't like how they look, bro. They just don't look well. GJ, nah. AGUSD. SGBY. Weekly. I'm good. Good USD. I see price. Happiness and continue. Yeah. I see this happening. I can see that happening. I don't like how steep it is, but I see that happening. The daily would have to come down. Or some type of base. Oh yeah, it would have to come down or some type of base first. Some type of base. Um, before off this side. That's what I see happening. See, any something like that. On the weekly, and I see price going up. Push. I can see that happening. So just do a trade. I could be looking to buy up. Most definitely. Yeah, JPY. Price. Okay. So move 5 drawings. Yeah, JPY. Okay. Continue up. Yes. Also, can price open up here and then goes down. Yeah. Price continue up. That's good momentum. Yeah, works into this area. Daily, which is bearish. I really have to bounce up here, come down, retest, continue up. So yeah, that makes sense, right? But still the right pressure come down here. anything that does all that. So I'm very interested in this one. Your GBP, and yeah, I'm interested only if it comes down back down to that area. But then the thing about it, is it gonna? I think I'm lazy. Yeah, and the USD, daily, straight, and the CAD. Anytime I'm looking, wants to make a decision. Let's wait to see what decision decides to make. I'm straight. UNDD is above. Price about to come down to this level. It's going to take a while for that price to come down to this level. I'm straight. UPSD. UPSD. We don't really like our prices. Just at this level here. Like, oh, CAD. Exactly what I said they would do. Price not below this level. Perfect. Um, okay, so man, look at this area. What do we see price usually do? When price usually gets to this area, it usually reflects down, right? Price reflects down twice. Um, here again, the same thing too. When it became here, like reject this area, and then oil probably of this, being above here and dropping down a good amount of the distance down, a good amount of pips. So there's a chance for this price continuing downward, actually creating a double top kind of formation that I'm really like believing the price could, reject and just continue some more to the downside, right? See that happening. Um, so daily. So now at the weekly, I see that this is the area where likely price would have to like, you know, price usually falls below. Not really. So you didn't want to put this up. Daily. But for me, bro, this is have to go like this for me to be interested in sell. I have to clear this, then I'll be interested in sell. I'll keep an eye on that, but that has to happen. UAD going up. UAD straight. Big cat. Price usually comes here, bounces up, 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 up. Yes, it's selling down. I am just not interested unless it's below this area. It usually bounces up. Look, it goes up for a good amount of time. It goes up for a good amount of time. So when I see this, like, feels the price needs to go for a good amount of time. That's just based on what I'm seeing. Yes, it's selling off. I'm just straight. Yes, people can say they can look for sells in this area like this, right? To go down. I'm straight, bro. It usually goes up. So for me, I think this is going to fail. So 80 JPY. My issue when it comes to my trading is trusting my intuition, right? Like my intuition would tell me that this is not a good trade. Now so like, I was still thinking, you know what I'm saying? And I was still able to be like a small like profitable in a small sense. Doing that, so imagine me. listening to myself, and I have been. I've been saying that most of the time when I listen to myself, I am correct, bro. So trusting my intuition is the change of the reading game when it comes down to this thing for me. So daily, just like I said, is what I'm looking forward to happening. Already broke that out. Then I'll be interested in like buying this chunk up, you know. NZDJPY, filming prices, giving me the, head and shoulders pattern right here. Retest with the head and shoulders. Daily. Okay, move all drawing because this is starting to confuse me. Okay, so starting above this strong level, right? Strong level, strong level, strong. So also, I've also have this up here, right? Strong level. And now I'm having a good daily. Daily is here too as well. Daily is above here. The next move I'll be looking forward to hitting is this, right? But like I said, I doubt price is gonna do this. I doubt it. I doubt price is gonna go like this and continue up. And then continue up to this side, right? I doubt price is going to do that and then continue to this side. Highly doubt it. Chance of that happening. I believe that there's very little chance of that happening, right? But can I see price coming down, filling this up, and then you know going up to the upside, and then continuing to hit the levels that we need to hit, based on this? I can see that happening, right? Price has to fill this wick up. So that will be, I want price to come down, you know, fill this out some more. And the thing about it is that yes, the 4 hour is not bullish, right? But look, the weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, right? We have the weekly bullish, daily, but we just need a daily basis. And then it's already a retest of this head shoulders pattern. I don't even need the 4 hour to be um bullish. I just need a price come down here, shift structure in this area, have the daily bias of a rejection, a doji or engulfing, and then from there, just enter a buy. You know what I'm saying? And to this upside. So that's gonna be my interest. DPAD, I'm straight. USJPY, I'm basically up there, I'm straight. Uh, USD CAD, USD CAD. Price needs to come all the way back up here. The only problem I have is phone, trust my judgment, 3 call for 9, I don't know, right? GPCHF, and and then most of the time, I trust my intuition is like basically like everything lines up and looks like it possibly could happen, but then the 4 hour chart kind of looks weird. It feels like I just don't see it going up. I just don't take it. You know what I'm saying? My goal is to trust my intuition at all times, and that is what I'm basing my correctness on or my discipline on. Not about the profitability, but the discipline to follow my intuition. You see, straight GPNTT at this level, move treat 3 drawings. First price going up here. Price is bearish. Yeah, it's just not good. ADCHF, weekly. All the way down here. I'm straight. So literally the only trades that I'm looking forward is AUDJPY, MTDJPY, Bitcoin, GP CAD, possibly USD. Looks like more possibility. So these are the trades for the week. Keep an eye on those.